Figured I'd give you an update on the Tecumseh engine that was broken by me while trying to fix it, if that makes any sense. It doesn't to me, but anyway, I had to rebuild the starter. Had to put brushes in it. I had already put a new through body terminal kit or whatever you call it. I don't know, the thing with the insulator on it. Put that. The bearings are good, so we're good there now. It turns it over like it should have when I originally tried to rebuild it by not putting new brushes in. But we got a good tractor now. This tractor, I've pulled the hood off, as you can see, repainted it. I didn't buy the decal kit. It's just not worth it to me. Repainted the pan, put a brand new seat. Seats are expensive. That's like $100 for a stupid seat. This one already had a fully rebuilt snowblower. I rebuilt that years ago. New bearings, new chains to drive it, all new stainless hardware everywhere. The only thing I got to do is I got to get a couple of those thumb nuts. And we're good there. The machine's in good shape now. The tires are a little dry rotted on this machine, but no big deal. This has got I had put replacement headlights in it. They're the glass ones. They're the real headlights, but I mean, I got them working, I guess I should say. And then I just put on some LED lights on the back. I think it originally, I can't remember if it had lights or if those were just reflectors on there. And then just for a little weight, I had a John Deere weight that actually has a little lip, and I hung it on the little toolbox back here to give me a little more traction, because when that's hanging off the front, when you got it pulled up, it really lightens up the back end quite a bit. Another thing I did was, this has a lock here, this pin here, this is a wheel lock, and I had to do some substantial work to get that freed back up. I had to pull the wheel, and I had to heat it and quench it and temper it and hammer it out, and yeah, that was quite an ordeal. Probably wasn't worth it, but it's the only way you can really push the tractor while it's sitting. This one just, even neutral gear, I don't know why, but it just doesn't push, so you have to have that working. Alright, so I'm going to start it up and let you hear it run. And one thing I didn't point out earlier is you see there's two sheaves there. The red belt is on the right one, and the empty one is the left one. This has two ranges. You just slip the belt up to the top pulley, and then in there's another pulley in the bottom that's smaller. So you go big to little, and then you have not just the 3 speeds that you'd had on the stick, but you have then 6 speeds, like for transporting or whatever. But for snow blowing, I've got it in the slow position, of course, which is the farthest one from the engine there.